Hello, this is Java 1965, and today I'm here with another random and diverse tutorial. And today this is some sort of like a response slash thank you to for helping me out with this project. I bought this 30-inch cinema display like a year ago, and it's just been sitting in my garage. It didn't come with the power brick, and as you know, that thing is really expensive. Some sell it for 150, 180. First did some searches and I Googled it, and then ended up finding this guy that said that this type of monitors do not need that brick, that you can get away with as long as you can have a I don't know, power supply with 24 volts and probably 5 amps, and that could help. So that's what I did. I went ahead and bought such a power adapter. I didn't find the one was suggested by the first video. I didn't find it, so I ended up looking for more options and run into this this YouTuber, and I bought it, and here's what I did. First things first, you will need of course the cinema display. You need, of course, to cut this to cut the cable, and for that you can use one of these. All right, or one of these scissors. Piece of cable. Computer cables are good, you know, good. They got 3 wires, and you're gonna have to just cut it at the end. This one has a positive, you know, a neutral, and just put it in. Okay, and you need to cut off and peel about 1 inch or a little bit more than that, like this. Okay, a little bit more than that. Leave it like this. So at this point, it doesn't really matter. I think black is positive and the white one is neutral or ground. I don't know. I'm not an electrician. Okay. Okay, you will need a power supply. I ordered these on eBay. It cost me about $17. Comes in a box like this, and there you go. So you have to be really careful with this. I messed up the first time I was playing with it around, but anyways, yeah. So one of the things that you need to know, you need to set it. Usually comes set to 220. So he says that make sure he tried one of his displays because it was set at 220. So set it to 110, which is that way. All right. Okay, at this point, that's all you need. Oh yeah, I forgot. And you need a laptop to test it all, okay? I already cut this, so I'm not gonna even bother, but you know what? You just cut it, and this is what you need to do. You need to, okay, once you cut it, you're gonna end up with something like this. This little gray cable doesn't do anything. Red is your positive, and black is your negative. All right, so kind of leave 1 inch, peel it 1 inch, and also half an inch right here if you could. All right, as I forgot, you also will need a screwdriver. Okay, all right, so I hope I can. All right, first of all, in the unit, your unit might have or may not have this, but you need to push the button to 110, which is you can see it there. You just need to push the switch that way. Now let's take a look at the front. First slot is positive, second is your neutral, and where you see the B right there, the plus, it's where you're gonna put your red cable, and the COM is your negative, is the black one from your cinema display cable. So let's do that now. Since this thing was always closing on me, put a piece of tape to keep it up. First thing we're going to connect is the power. I totally removed. So now let's work with the cable. You better check your polarity, okay? You better check which one is positive and which one is your neutral. So I want to do that, so I'm gonna okay, you have your cable connection wired to the unit. Let's do now the cinema display cable. The red one is going to go on the little plus and the V. Now on the COM, I'm going to do the negative. It should look something like this. Alright, this is the proper way to do it. Now you can close that and you're ready to connect everything. I just connect the unit to the outlet and you can see the little LED light is lit up. It's good to go. Then you have to connect a DVI connector, your FireWire and your USB. Good to go. Moment of truth. I'm going to turn on everything and see what happens. And there you go. Success. I'm really happy the way it is right now. So I'm gonna hook it up to my PC. I want to thank all the YouTubers that helped me with this project without knowing, but thank you for your videos. Mission accomplished. And thank you again.